Hello guys, what's going on internet? This is me Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Today we are going to learn how you can set your text alignment in one paragraph when you are using the Adobe Photoshop. So let's take a first text block like this, and I am using the text of Lorem Ipsum. You can see that. So now we will see the different alignments of the text. You can come here and you can do paragraph. We have a character and paragraph tab here. If you don't have, so then you can come on the windows and then you can just take paragraph from here, so then you will find. And if you don't have some character, so then you can just click on the character tab, so then you will find the character tab from here. Okay, so let's start from the paragraph. So we have this option that we have already. Then we have this one that is about centralized text. Okay, then we have right align text like this one, and the previous one that we have the left align. Okay, and then if you want to be text to be completely justified, so then you can click here, so then your text will be justified. You can see that these spaces, if you want to ignore these spaces, so then you need to use this option, make it tick, so then it will be, your text will be complete without any spaces. And then we have this one that is called centralized to. This is from the right line, and this is one completely justified. Sometimes we have a less text, so then our spaces are coming. So when we have a more text, so blank spaces will be removed. Okay, let's make the different type of a text, so then you can easily arrange your text. And you can see, let's arrange the text, so then you can easily understand how many formats we have. Right now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so let's make it 6 paragraph, so it will be easier for you. One is this one, make it little bit smaller, Control T. Using Control T, I am just resizing it. Then we have like this one, let's make it more resizable. So we have this layout, then we have this layout. Okay, let's make it more smaller so it can be set it down. Okay, this is fine. We can click here, we have this one. Okay, then we have this one that is called right align, left align, centralized, and then we have right align. Then we have bottom, we have this type of a text. This is called, you can say that, justified last left. Okay, then we have this one, and at the end we have last of the dishes, we have a from right side. So these are the three main justification of the text that you can use while you are doing your design. Okay, hope you will like this tutorial. If you like, so then please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.